Well, good morning, everybody. Grab that cup of coffee, because me and my brother Blood here, we are gonna make a bed. This is the bed frame we cut out. This is going to be for inside of there. I was going to go buy a sheet of wood, and then I remembered all this wood I scavenged off of, I don't remember what it was, but I scavenged the wood from that was given to me and took it apart. It was a shelf at some time, but also right here we have took off that. Yeah, that ain't there no more. It didn't work the way we wanted to, so we're going to put it somewhere else or use it there. So now what we're trying to do is just going to cut these off and fit them in here. Then we're going to bolt them just in the middle. So I think that'll be plenty. You can't drill holes in this stuff, and I was going to use a torch and blow a hole, but I think there's going to be plenty of screws going down through there. If there's not, we'll tape it on. Because that's a booger. But that's what we're working on today, and let me show you again where that goes. There we go. That's going to go right here. It'll sit here. So you got a little bed in here once you move the bike out. And then when we're going down the road, it's going to be clipped right onto there. So it ain't going to fall on the bike, and it's going to be up and out of the way. It sits in there. It'll be fine. I'll show you that when we get her done. But there's about 2 minutes of that. We're going to cut a couple pieces. We'll show you how it looks. Hang in here. Why are you working yet?
I was watching, admiring your film. Your photogenic.
You're watching. What'd you say? Did you say that looks
pretty damn good?
For amateurs, we did good.
That's right.
I think that'll work. That'll hold up a friend of mine and his newly wife, if they want to use it. I'm fixing this for old Kool Whip and Spidey. They said they're tired of sleeping in a tent. This is one step up.
A little bit of a step.
Yeah, at least it won't leak.
It's a metal tent.
It's a metal tent. So now I'm going to come back and go get my drill bit, and we're going to drill through here and put a row of bolts and nuts through there to hold that together. I don't think we're going to need to hold anything on the side. That ain't going nowhere.
I don't want you to build that down.
Yeah, and here's the latch to hold that up on the wall. But we'll show you what that looks like. We'll bolt it on. I don't know if I'll paint it. I don't want to get too fancy for Kool Whip. Should we paint? I don't know.
Well, it'd be like it's something special.
Anyway, Kool Whip, I know you're watching this video. There's your honeymoon bed. Just don't break it.
Right.
No, don't break. All right, let's go on to the next step. I'll show you guys that. Well, that's the finished product right there, other than dusting it off and installing it. We had enough holes to grab every bolt without having to blow a hole in them. And they're in there tight. I got a hunch when somebody's big butt sits on that, I'll push her right in.
It ain't gonna work.
She's sturdy.
Yep.
So, and what we did is, being they got the little slots in them, like that, where that was together for a shelf. Well, you still got a good ½ inch there, and we tried to put those pieces right there on the crossbar as best we could. Like right here, we moved them over as close as we could to the crossbar there and there. There you had two, but this is going to go in that way. You're going to be sitting here when you're getting into the bed, and then you're going to be laying on it. It'll be fine. That's sturdy.
Yep.
We got a test dummy. if it'll hold Brother Blood,
It'll hold.
It'll hold. So we're going to do that.
I don't know if it'll hold two honeymooning Ohioans.
Yeah, doing what they're going to be doing. All right, well, let's stuff it in and see what it looks like. Are we recording?
Yes.
Okay, He's about the same height I am, 6 foot. So, it's close, buddy. You're gonna need a big pillow up here, I think. But you get right here where you need to be.
They'll be curled up and snuggled up.
Oh, hell. Yeah, you know what they're, yeah. That'll work. Nobody sleeps just like that anyway.
Nope.
Everybody's got a kink or rolling on their back, but it ain't moving. You can make this thing rock. There it is. No problem. Probably should have put bolts out here. But
I don't think so.
I ain't gonna blow holes through there now to catch the wood on fire. It's gonna hold it. It's gonna hold it. This piece here looks like she needs to be jammed down a little bit more, but I think they'll work on that part.
I think they'll knock it down.
So that's what it looks like down, and it was just easy to put in.
It was harder to put it in than it was to build a damn thing.
Yeah. Boy, you gotta have, I got her tight. You gotta have it square or it don't go in. But once you put it in, you ain't gonna be taking it in and out. You're gonna put it in when you park, and 2 weeks later or whatever, you're gonna take it back out. But this will work. I hope it works for you guys. And if you fall through, I don't worry about the wood. Don't worry about the wood. Anyway, that's that now. Then just slide right out here. And this should be plenty sturdy enough right here. Get your shoes on. Like I've said, there's going to be a curtain coming up here made out of flags. I'll pick out some nice flags. They give you a little privacy in the old boudoir. And you can leave that door open for coolness. But I think we got it. I'll show you what it looks like hanging there now.
We'll turn it off.
Turn her off. You had it on. Hopefully you wasn't filming your face, was you?
No, I can see you.
Okay. Well, I picked it up just now. It was on the other way. Anyway, there you go, guys.
Probably when I picked it up.
Yeah. What do you think? That's sturdy?
I think it'll work.
It may make a noise going down the road, but it ain't gonna fall on the bike. She has got a hook on the back here, and then this hasp here, carabiner is there. Then this is through there, but I probably won't leave that part there because that's gonna come over and go through my back wheel in there. I like to have lots of points of grab on to the bike. We'll have one up here, there, and then I usually wrap something around through the tire there. I don't know if I can now that everything else is in here, but they'll have that many, plus one on the back, and I think that's going to do it. I think we're good for that, and I appreciate your help there, Brother Blood. Couldn't have done it without you. Well, I wouldn't have wanted to anyway. There you go, Kool Whip. You're going to have a mattress. We didn't get them sunk all the way in, but I'm sure you're going to want some kind of air mattress on that. That's 4 foot that way, so find you a 4 foot wide mattress or so. And that's good for right now. If I think of something else we can add in here, you'll like. It's got little lights here. Oh, we'll blow all this out. Got a little light right here. You can turn that on. Your night light. And you can put it on motion detection, so when you come in, it'll come on too. Like if you come in when you maybe had a drink or two and it's too late. I don't think he'd do that, do you? He wouldn't drink. He wouldn't drink. No.
I don't think so.
All right, that's it, guys. Hey, you know what to do. Subscribe. Follow my channel. Hopefully you'll find something entertaining.